Let me show you how to create this 3D pop-out effect in Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl J twice to make copies of the background. Hide these two layers for now. Now choose the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. Choose any fill color with no stroke color. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Perspective. Right-click and choose Scale. Right-click and choose Distort. Unhide this image layer. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Drag this layer on top of the layers. Unhide this image layer. Now go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Choose this layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. Double-click here and change the color to black. Choose this layer. Go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Follow these settings. Unhide this image layer. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Warp. Adjust it like this. When you finish, press Enter. Choose this layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, choose Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings. Reduce the fill. Now choose the top layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue Saturation. Set the saturation to 100. Change the blending mode to Color Burn. Reduce the fill to 7%. Again, go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue Saturation. Set the saturation to 100. Change the blending mode to Color Dodge. Reduce the fill. Final step, go to Adjustment Layer and choose Color Lookup. Follow these settings. Change the blending mode to Soft Light. Reduce the fill. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials in my channel. Thank you for your support.